Hello everyone, Namaskar. So today we are going to solve one problem involving binary numbers. So we have been given this number and they are asking what are the possible values of binary digits x, y and z. Okay, so let's start. It will be a bit easier. The easier way which I find is to convert all three of them to decimal and then find the value. Okay, so if I convert all three of them, so how you convert? You multiply the rightmost with 2 power 0 and then 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and so on. So if I multiply this 0 by 2 power, let's write this in detail. So 1 0 x 0 1 0. So you multiply this by 2 power 0 which is 1, then this by 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So if you multiply this, you are getting 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8x plus 0 plus 32. So you are getting 2 plus 32, that is 34 plus 8x. This is as far as the first one is concerned. Coming to the second one, it is 1, 1, y and 1. So multiply this by 1, 2, 4, 8. So you'll get 1 plus 2y plus 4 plus 8. So you get 13 plus 2y. Coming to the third one, so you have 10z11. So again multiply this by 1, 2, 4, 8 and then 16. So this is 16 plus 0 plus 4z plus 2 plus 1. So this is 16 plus 2, 18, 19 plus 4z. So if you perform the operation, then 34 plus 8x minus of 13 plus 2y, this is given equal to 19 plus 4z. So 34 minus 10 is 24, minus 3 is 21, and that 19 plus 8x minus 2y minus 4z, this equals to 0. So if I let this 2 be here and take other terms to the right hand side, so minus 8x plus 2y plus 4z. Okay. Now when will this be equal to 2? So this to be equal to 2, I want this term to be alive, because I can use only two things, 0 or 1. Okay. For all x, y, z, I have only two possibilities, 0 or 1. So with the help of 0 and 1, only thing I can do is to remove this 2 with the help of x equals to 0 and z equals to 0, and to keep this alive with y equals to 1. So the possibilities are x0, y1 and z to be 0. So I hope this you found this problem interesting, because when we converted it to decimal, this became very easy, because it was x y z. So performing calculation would have been a bit tedious. I'm talking about binary to binary subtraction, so that would have been a bit tedious because we don't know what is the value of x and y. It can either be 0 or 1. So converting it into decimal was easy, because at the last we have to decide that out of 0 and 1, what can be the values of x and z. So x can only become, first term can become -8, which I don't want, because that if become -8, the last one if becomes let's say 4, so -4, and this if we becomes 2, so -6. So sorry, -8 plus 6, again that will be -2 only. So only thing I can do is try to remove first and third with the help of x and z as 0, and to take y as 1, so that the middle one remains alive. So x0, y1 and z0 is your final possibility. Thanks and have a nice day.